Have you ever wondered if it's actually possible to work from home and earn money online without falling for scams? Well, in this video, I'll be showing you guys the legitimate websites that pay to work from home. And the best part is the fact that number 7 in this particular list and number 9 are amongst the best platforms in the world for finding online work opportunities. Now, before we begin, I want to be very clear about something. This website provides opportunities to earn money online, but your results depend on factors such as your skills, experience, availability, location, and the amount of effort you put in. So if you're ready to discover some of the best websites for remote work, then let's get started. Starting at number 1 is Preply. Preply is an online tutoring platform that connects students with tutors around the globe. Now, a whole lot of people think you need to be certified before you actually make money on Preply, but that's not always the case. There are students who are looking to learn languages, improve conversational skills, prepare for exams, and much more. If you're knowledgeable in a subject or fluent in a language, then you can create a profile and offer lessons online. One of the biggest advantages on Preply is flexibility. You can set availability and teach from your home using your computer and internet connection. The more positive reviews you receive, the more experience you gain, the easier it becomes to attract students. So if you enjoy teaching or helping others learn about certain things, then Preply is definitely worth exploring. All you have to do is to head to the site preply.com, sign up, and get started. Now, heading to number 2 in today's list is UserTesting. Now, UserTesting pays people to test websites, applications, and digital products. Companies want to know how real users interact with their platforms, and that's where you come in. You'll typically be asked to complete tasks while sharing your thoughts and feedback. For example, you might be asked to visit a website, find the product, or navigate through an app while explaining your experience. This helps businesses identify problems and improve user experience. The great thing about user testing is that you don't need advanced technical skills to get started. All you need is to browse the internet and communicate clearly. You may need to qualify before you actually get opportunities for testing, and all you have to do is to head to the site right now, usertesting.com, sign up that you actually want to start helping them, and you can actually start getting paid for helping them and helping businesses test websites, applications, and several other things. Now, moving to number 3 in today's list is Medium. Medium is a platform where writers share articles on virtually any topic imaginable. Topics ranging from technology and business to personal development, productivity, health, and finance. If you enjoy writing, Medium provides an opportunity to publish your content and build an audience. Many creators use Medium to showcase expertise, build personal brands, and generate income through the platform's partner program where available. The key to success on Medium is consistency and creating content the readers genuinely find valuable. You don't need a website, expensive tools, or a large social media following to get started. All you need is the ability to write helpful and valuable content, and all you have to do to get started is to head to the site right now, medium.com, sign up on the partner program, and get started. Now, heading to number 4 in today's list is Rent a Cyber Friend. This platform allows people to connect online for friendly conversations and companionship. Individuals join for various reasons, including social interaction, practicing communication skills, or simply having someone to talk with. As a cyber friend, your role is to provide friendly conversations and positive engagement within the platform's guidelines. One thing I like about this platform is that it doesn't require advanced technical skills. If you're a good communicator and enjoy talking with people from different backgrounds, this may be an interesting opportunity for you to explore. As always, make sure to follow the platform's policies and safety guidelines. And for you to get started, head to the site right now, Rent a Cyber Friend, sign up that you want to be a cyber friend to get started. But then you need to understand that most of these platforms I've listed and the ones I'm still going to list always ensure to verify you before they actually approve your account. Now, moving to number 5 in today's list is Clickworker. Clickworker offers a variety of online microtasks that can often be completed remotely. These tasks may include data categorization, research, proofreading, AI-related tasks, surveys, and other digital assignments. The platform is designed to help businesses complete smaller tasks while giving workers access to flexible opportunities. One reason many beginners like Clickworker is because it doesn't necessarily require extensive experience. You can create an account, complete assessments where required, and start applying for available tasks. It's a useful platform for people looking to gain experience with online work. And now heading to number 6 in today's list is Superprof. Superprof is another tutoring platform that connects students with instructors. You can teach academic subjects, music, sports, languages, creative skills, and many other areas. What's interesting about Superprof is the wide range of categories available on the platform. Whether you're good at mathematics, guitar lessons, graphic design, fitness coaching, or photography, there may be students interested in learning from you. This makes it a great option for people who have knowledge or skills they can teach online. Now moving to number 7, which is another great platform in this list, is Outlier AI. Outlier works with contributors who help improve artificial intelligence systems through various projects. Depending on project availability and your qualifications, tasks may involve reviewing content, evaluating responses, fact-checking information, or helping train AI models. One reason this platform has gained attention is because AI continues to grow rapidly across many industries. People with strong writing, analytical, research language, or subject matter expertise may find interesting opportunities here. Keep in mind that available projects can vary depending on your location, skills, and current demand. And all you have to do to get started is to head to the site outlier.ai, and then you can sign up if you're actually in locations where they actually accept people. And now moving to number 8 on this list is SproutGigs. SproutGigs is actually a marketplace that connects businesses with freelancers who can complete various online tasks. You find opportunities such as content engagement tasks, data entry projects, promotional work, testing activities, and other small assignments. Before accepting any task, it's very important to read the requirements carefully and make sure you understand what is expected. Like many freelance platforms, the quality of your work can influence future opportunities and ratings. SproutGigs can be a useful option for people looking to gain experience with online freelancing and remote work. And all you have to do in order to get started is to head to the site right now, sproutgigs.com, sign up, and get started. Now, heading to number 9 is the popular freelancing marketplace called Upwork. Now, this is one of the largest freelance marketplaces in the world. Upwork connects freelancers with clients looking for services such as video editing, graphic design, writing, programming, virtual assistants, marketing, customer support, and many other professional skills. What makes Upwork so powerful is the variety of opportunities available. Businesses from around the world post projects every single day, and freelancers can submit proposals for jobs that match the skills. Many people use Upwork to build long-term client relationships and develop full-time freelance careers. So if you're serious about remote work, Upwork is definitely a platform worth learning. Please note that Upwork is actually one of the biggest freelance marketplaces. For you to actually start working, the person posting the jobs needs to approve you based on what you've actually submitted in terms of your proposal. Once approved, from there you can actually work for the person. If the person like what you do, then you get paid for your service. Now, moving to the final website in today's list is Cambly. Cambly connects English learners with conversational English tutors online. Students use the platform to practice speaking English with native or fluent speakers. Unlike traditional classroom teaching, Cambly focuses heavily on conversations and communication. This makes it an appealing option for people who enjoy meeting individuals from different countries and helping them improve their English skills. As with most teaching platforms, success often comes from being reliable, professional, and providing a positive learning experience. And there you have it, guys. That brings us to the end of all the 10 websites. And please note, for you to actually be successful on this particular website, most importantly, you need to be consistent. And remember, your earnings depends on several factors such as your skills, experience, availability, location, and the amount of effort you put in. So once again, there you have it, guys. This is 10 legitimate websites that offer opportunities to work remotely from home. Preply, UserTesting, Medium, Rent a Cyberfriend, Clickworker, Superprof, Outlier AI, SproutGigs, Upwork, and finally, Cambly. Remember, no websites can guarantee success, and income varies from person to person. The people who tend to achieve the best results are those who stay consistent, continue improving their skills, and take action instead of just watching videos. Now, I want to hear from you guys. Which of these websites are you most interested in trying? Let me know in the comment below, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, turn on notification, and give this video a thumbs up so you don't miss future videos about remote work, freelancing, and online income opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video.